guys, what's up? Got my bike check right here. I'll just start off from top to the bottom, from my right, your left, to the right. Alright, I got We the People helium bars with Culty heart grips, kink bolt stem, kink headset, kink transition frame. I said kink, you fucking idiot. Yeah, I got Cult Sect forks. Front wheel is obviously 7KA to Kink Viridian, Demolition Momentum tires, and I got the Kink Sexton seat, shitty premium seat post and salt seat clamp. You got Fly cranks, Cult chain, Kink sprocket, Odyssey bottom bracket, Fly bikes, pedals. I got the Odyssey's hazard light rim to Raptor cassette and momentum tire on the back and United pegs. And yeah, that's about it. Cha. If you don't land a trick first try, just keep on trying.
I'd like to shout out to Dave Chrysler for keeping his swag up.